Man, they want us to show claims that will come true in the future. वो कहते हैं कुरान सच्चा है तो ऐसे दावे बताएं जो मुस्तकबिल में पूरे होंगे. Our God is strong. He's not afraid of questions. So let's just take 3 more examples. If you're into cosmology, you know that there is no proof of life beyond Earth yet. But if one day scientists discover that there is life on other planet, our children should remember that long before the Mars rover, the Holy Quran predicted that we are not alone in this universe. Allah Ta'ala says in Surah Shu'ara, and among the signs is the creation of heaven and earth, and the living creatures He has scattered in both. If you're into technology, you know that AI is changing everything. Jobs, history, even our reality. If future language models were trained on tainted data, it could lead to truth decay. In other words, some bad actors could create fake verses of Holy Quran and na'uzubillah may try to add them into the book. This is already happening to historic documents.